Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Before we start with our new video tutorial, I would like to say thank you very much for all the support that you gave me in my YouTube channel. It always encouraged me to work hard and produce tutorial videos as much as possible in my spare time. I really appreciate it a lot. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to search a particular record using SQL statement in PHP in MySQL Database. Here, I am here in my PHP my admin environment. So I have a sample database named demo and then a table user. Here I have a list of records, and then this records has a column or fields ID, name, and age. Let's say for example I would like to search the record of Jacob Samuel Pomperada based on his ID, that is 5. In SQL it is very easy. We go to the SQL menu here and then issue a command or SQL query. Select asterisk. We would like to view all the fields from user or table where ID equals 5. The ID represent the ID of our user Jacob. So here select means we want to select a field in our table user. Asterisk means all the fields will be displayed from user or table where ID equals 5, which represent the record of Jacob Samuel Pomperada. Click the go button to execute the SQL query. Here we go. ID 5, Jacob Samuel Pomperada, age 7. Another example. We go to SQL. We issue a command. Let's say select asterisk from user where ID equals 6. 6 represent the ID of Juliana Ray Pomperada. So when we click the go button, it will execute the SQL query, and then it display the record of Juliana Ray Pomperada, which has an ID of 6, and the age of Juliana Ray is 6 years old also. Here we go guys, we have already finished the demonstration on how to search a particular record in the table using SQL statement. If you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, click the bell notification so that you will be updated with my newest videos in my channel, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. Thank you very much for watching. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Bye bye for now.